Welcome back to the channel. If you're running into the application was unable to start correctly error, don't worry, you are not stuck with it for long. Today I will walk you through 4 proven fixes, starting with the quickest one first. Let's dive right in. Fix number 1: run as administrator. Right click the app that throwing the error and select run as administrator. Sometimes the program just needs elevated permission to launch properly. This alone solves it more often than you would expect. Fix number 2: compatibility mode. Didn't work. Let's try adjusting the app's compatibility settings. Right click the app, choose see more and all, then choose properties, then open the compatibility tab. Check the box for run as this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 from the drop down, then click apply and OK. Now try launching the app again. Fix number 3: change system local. Still stuck? Your system local might be culprit, especially if Windows isn't set to English. Here's how to fix that. Press Windows plus R to open the run dialog. Type intl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the administrative tab and click change system local. Select English United States, click OK and restart your PC. Once it's back on, try opening the app again. This fix resolved the issue for a lot of users. Fix number 4: re-register DLL files. Still no luck? Let's re-register all the DLL files the app depends on. Right click the app and select open file location. Once the folder opens, click into the address bar and type cmd and press enter to open command prompt. Right there, type this command as shown is on the display and hit enter. This silently re-register every DLL file in the folder. No pop-ups, no interruption. Restart your PC once more time and try opening the app. It should launch without a hitch. If one of these fix work for you, let us know in the comments which one did the trick. It helps others to find the right solution faster. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next fixed.